Here's how to pay your electronic bill by using your STC Bank. Less than 1 minute, and let's get started. Once you log into your STC Bank app, tap on transfer and pay. Now scroll down and click on Sadat payments. Now tap on add new bills. Then tap on Saudi Energy. Then enter your bill number, your electronic number, bill number. Now click on continue. Now your bill amount will appear on your screen. Enter the payment amount and your bill nickname, then click on continue. Now confirm your bill information and tap on next. Now you will receive OTP, and once you receive it, start tapping it to continue. Now you have successfully paid your electronic bill. You can share the receipt or tap on done to go back to home page. Thank you for watching.